This is Uganda's magic homebrew that unites people across the country.
They are right to say it looks dirty, but if you taste it's nice.
Some people, they have never taken, but once they take it, they enjoy.
It tastes a little sour. It is a drink that builds the body. It has fat. It should be having protein.
Ajono, aka mill-based brew.
It's a cultural drink. It's a drink that collects the rich, the poor. It is for all of us.
So the fermenting process takes something like 7-8 days. Then we do some roasting. Then after that roasting there, we spread it to dry. Then when it dries, we can now brew. The brewing process takes, the best is 4 days.
Despite some locals taking pride in the drink, doctors raise concern over sharing straws.
Marwa is taken with the hot water, even tubes. They don't share. Even before you serve a customer, you have got to make sure that you wash the tube. You even dip the tip in the hot water.
Every tribe in Uganda takes marua. Even the foreigners, we are the Kenyans here. In Uganda has all the tribes now. They take marua, which means the stuff is okay for any human being for consumption.
Like it or not, this drink has been around in Uganda for over 3,000 years. And in the last decade, it has become more popular than ever.